This is the recipe for making raisin bread in a bread maker. It is the recipe that came with the Panasonic bread machine, followed exactly to test out how well it works. I find it's easiest to weigh directly on some kitchen scales. I'm making the XL size loaf and I'll leave the measurements for the ingredients down below. So we're using 600 grams of strong white bread flour, 40 grams of butter, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 teaspoons of salt and 400 millilitres of water. Open the lid and transfer the bread tin into the bread maker. It will twist easily into place. And then the 1 1/4 teaspoon of dry yeast goes in the dispenser at the top here, and the 120 grams of raisins go in here. Now close the lid and choose menu number 3 and the XL setting. It will run for 4 hours and beep when it is ready. Carefully remove the bread tin from the machine. I recommend using some oven gloves as it will be hot, and then carefully slide the bread out of the tin by tipping it upside down. This hole here is where the bread has baked around the paddle in the bread maker tin. Leave the bread to cool down for at least 15 minutes before slicing it. Longer if possible. Some people recommend waiting for an hour, or at least an hour, and to be honest, I really struggle to wait that long before trying a slice. So it's up to you. If you can manage that long, great. The bread will slice a lot more easily if you wait longer for it to cool down, but entirely up to you. I hope you've enjoyed this raisin bread recipe in the Panasonic Bread Maker. If you want me to make any more bread maker recipes, please do let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.